Bray Wyatt. I can't wait.
Up next, guys, Bray Wyatt faces the Nature Boy, Ric Flair, in a clash that's bound to be a sure juxtaposition of styles here. Classic Ric Flair taking on part of the new blood. That is Bray Wyatt, the bizarre man indeed, and the Lord of the Fireflies.
Are out.
Here he comes. Bray Wyatt. Say what you will about his theatrics though, for all his mind games, Bray Wyatt is a performer in there.
Psychologically baffling. Every time you think you figured out what Bray Wyatt's gonna do, he does the polar opposite. That's just the way Bray Wyatt likes it.
He may be a bizarre one on par with the likes of the Jester, Psychosis, Goldust even, but he can really mix it up once that bell tolls, and he'll be facing one of the greatest of all, if not the greatest of all time, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. And Bray Wyatt gets into the ring here. Much boos from the crowd, waiting for Ric Flair to come in. He's certainly ready for action. And a member of Money Incorporated.
He's here.
Here he is.
And his opponent,
The Nature Boy.
North Carolina, weighing in at 245 pounds, the Nature Boy.
Bray Wyatt, they're doing his best to G up the crowd here. This is Flair country, Wyatt. I don't think
Corey, can you imagine hanging out with Flair?
that you're gonna get more cheers than the Nature Boy. Certainly not out here.
Probably all I'll ever get to do. A lifestyle I can only dream of.
And the Nature Boy, he sees Bray Wyatt coming,
Must have seen it coming.
and Wyatt goes after the Nature Boy early here. But there is Ric Flair, and he gets out of the way. And Flair goes straight after the leg there.
The latest in a long line of WWE royalty looks to cement his legacy once again. Aside from Saxton's commentary,
You're gonna go after Ric Flair, you better not miss, son.
Bray is making the hair on my back stand up. That's disgusting. The atmosphere out here is chilly. It's creepy. It's unsettling.
Flair
That's exactly the way
laying into Bray Wyatt now. Oh, big chop there. Woo! Ric Flair now. Going after the leg again.
He might be trying to take out the leg here.
And you can see the Nature Boy not so easily thrown off his game as he takes his time to disrobe here. Oh, and a rake across the back. Bray Wyatt now fighting back. He's got a point to prove here. A win against Nature Boy would be huge for Bray Wyatt. We haven't seen a lot of him here in the fantasy universe. In fact,
That's how you wear
this might be his first appearance, I think.
a scary attack.
Don't forget, guys, still to come the finals of the tag team and the trio. Oh, this is the chop there. Who will be Raw's representative at Survivor Series for the tag team titles?
And he knows that. I doubt he's all that concerned at this point.
Oh, Bray Wyatt there with the crossbody.
I didn't realize he had such a glass jaw.
And plays down. Bray Wyatt now.
Not on the Nature Boy side. Oh, man. To be expected, though. It's not like he's in there with a slouch, guys.
The Nature Boy's going all natural.
Nature Boy fights back there. Oh, massive there. Oh, and Wyatt is up again. And Flair gets out of there. That surprised Flair a little bit. Wyatt got up there so quickly.
Look at him. He's wide open for attack.
And again now Flair going after the leg. What's he got in mind? Is he going for the figure 4 already? No, it's just a leg twist.
I think I just heard something snap.
Certainly now. Wyatt has got to keep Flair away from those legs. He's setting him up for that figure 4.
He wants
Flair.
to the outside.
He's vulnerable here. Oh, slams him down onto the apron.
He's playing with him now.
And Bray Wyatt
Great job.
going for Sister Abigail there. And Flair will have none of it. If you're going to go after Ric Flair, you better know what you're all about.
Oh my God.
As Flair again targets the leg area of Bray Wyatt.
Amazing
Oh,
move right there, guys.
nice work there from
Controls the pace of the
Flair.
match, quite like this guy.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Wyatt has taken some serious punishment here and again fights back at the vital moment.
Now the old vicious head crank. Look at the
And
torque.
Ric Flair
We may have discovered his favorite move. Seems to be guys
on the
that are
receiving
just
end now
miles
from
away.
Bray Wyatt.
He's got the shoulders down. Ric Flair with an easy
And
kick
Ric
out.
Flair,
I don't think his
not even
opponent
close,
was
lad.
expecting that.
Oh, Wyatt again. Again going after the head. And you know Wyatt likes to end his matches with that patented finisher of his Sister Abigail.
The finisher could absolutely end this
And
match,
Wyatt
as
here
you
playing
were
the
saying,
mind
but
games.
it's not
Can he put Flair away?
There's a pin now. I can't believe it.
No, the
Just
Nature
kicked
Boy
out. Gonna take more than that.
showing exactly what he's all about. What made him something like a 17-time world champion.
Boy, he is rolling.
But right now, you wouldn't be able to tell the way he's laid out on that mat. Wyatt trying to wake him up. Oh, gets a kick for his attempt there. Wyatt again.
He's fighting back here. I expected nothing less, Cole. He's
And
making
Flair
his
knocks his man down. And Wyatt blocks it. It's Wyatt now going for the submission maneuver, but Flair's hand is over the
I
ropes.
don't think people realize just how difficult it is.
You want to go after Ric Flair, like I said, man, you got to have some ring presence about you.
Really with the knee
You got to know exactly where you are at all times.
He had him locked in tight, guys.
He's definitely tapped a power source.
And Flair there.
Takes
Dodges,
him down
but
the
here's
ropes for Ric
the
Flair.
Bray Wyatt again now.
Nothing left to give, guys.
He's definitely in trouble, Cole. He might want to rethink his strategy and keep this match in the ring.
And Flair. He's held off Wyatt long enough. Gets back in the ring.
Ric Flair is showing some of that flair right now.
Trying to G up the crowd there.
He's got to hurry if he doesn't want to get counted
Bray
out.
Wyatt now
I'm
in
certainly
real
not
danger
on
of being
his
counted
side,
out
Cole.
here. And Ric Flair.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's got Wyatt up here now. Big pile driver. He could be setting him up. And oh, and Bray Wyatt gets out of there in a hurry.
A vicious axe handle.
Flair
finds
knocks
its
him down.
target with the damage sustained by Wyatt.
And
He
Flair
goes
gets
the
back in the
other
ring.
round. There's a good chance he can't recover from this. He is
And
gonna
again
fight back.
going after the leg here, Ric Flair.
And once again,
Oh,
we see
Wyatt
the
in all
return to
kinds of
specific
trouble. And
maneuver.
again Wyatt gets up.
Whatever works.
And again Flair takes him down.
Oh man, he's going off here. I don't know if this is by design or if he just lost his mind.
Flair now drags Wyatt to the center of the ring. Can he do it?
The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to pick up the win?
And Flair now. What can he do here? He's got Wyatt down. Oh, he's going after the legs again. Here comes the figure 4.
This one is over.
Ric Flair, there's method to the madness here. He went after the legs of Bray Wyatt. And now he's got him right where he wants him. Ric Flair trying to put him away. He can't do it. No, he can't. Bray Wyatt's fighting with everything he's got. Fighting with for all he's worth to try and stay in this match. Bray Wyatt.
Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it. He
Well
clearly
done,
wants to
Bray
inflict
Wyatt
some
there.
more
And Flair again goes right back into it. Ric Flair goes right back into it now. Can he survive it a second time?
to defeat Wyatt.
Bray Wyatt here. No, he cannot. Ric Flair picks up a massive victory here.
Tap, tap. This match is over.
And he's a man bang on form at the moment. Bray Wyatt succumbs
No doubt that was
to
a
the
match
figure
people will be
four.
telling their kids about for years to come. Here's another look.
And the Nature Boy, Ric Flair,
It's just one of those matches that the men involved should just be
took some
proud to be
punishment
part
along the
of. A
way.
legendary performance. Hope everybody at home
But the
sees
man,
those
the
DVRs
legend,
because that was a match
comes
you're gonna
out
watch again
with yet
and again
another
and
victory.
again. Epic.
The Nature Boy has defeated
This entire match
Bray
was just
Wyatt.
one big highlight reel, and I didn't expect anything else.
Here is your winner, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
Ric Flair.
That was. Bray Wyatt's gonna have to follow the Buzzards back home with a loss tonight. Well, that was a
Look at him,
deep match.
styling and profiling,
This is about to pick up
but he's not done
sooner
yet.
rather than later.
He's going back for Bray Wyatt here. Back into the figure four, and Bray Wyatt here howling in pain.
That might just be the
Nature
final nail
Boy.
in the coffin.
Woo! Making no mistake there. You gotta be at the top of your game if you wanna hang with the Nature Boy, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, guys. The Nature Boy up next. Who will be the trio to represent Raw at Survivor Series? That finals match is up next. Cheers.